Welcome back to another coding interview problem breakdown. Today, we are tackling the bulls and cows game, a classic logic puzzle often used to test your ability to handle arrays and hash maps efficiently. First, let's understand the rules. The game involves a secret number and a guess. We need to provide feedback in two forms. A bull is a correct digit in the correct position. A cow is a correct digit, but in the wrong position. Let's look at a visual example. If the secret is 1807 and the guess is 7810. The digit 8 matches perfectly in the second position, so that is one bull. The digits 1, 0, and 7 appear in both numbers but in different spots, making them 3 cows. The result is a 3B. Our coding task is to write a function that takes two strings, the secret and the guess. It should return the hint formatted as XAYB, where X is the count of bulls and Y is the count of cows. Note that inputs contain only digits. To solve this efficiently, we should think in passes. Because a bull is a stronger match than a cow, we prioritize counting bulls first. We can split the logic, find the direct matches, then deal with the frequency of the remaining digits. Step 1 is simple. We loop through the strings. If the character at index I in the secret matches the character at index I in the guess, we increment our bull count. We also need to remember which indices were not bulls for the next step. Step 2 deals with the remaining characters. We count how many times each digit appears in the non-bull parts of the secret and the guess. The number of cows for a specific digit is simply the minimum of its count in the secret and its count in the guess. Here is the optimized implementation. We iterate once to find bulls and build frequency arrays for the non-matching characters. Then, we loop through digits 0 to 9, adding the minimum overlap of counts to our cow total. Finally, we format the string. This solution is very efficient. The time complexity is big O of n because we iterate through the input string once. The space complexity is big O of 1 because our frequency arrays are fixed at size 10, regardless of the input length. To summarize, always prioritize exact matches first. Use frequency arrays or hash maps to count occurrences for the partial matches. And remember that the number of cows is determined by the overlapping counts between the two strings. I hope this explanation made the bulls and cows problem clear. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more algorithm walkthroughs. Happy coding!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.